This is sound test number 3, I think. Just to show that it's running now. All the latches on the door are latched, I suppose. You can probably hear the cooling fan more than anything else. It's just a ventilation fan that pulls air through from inside through the baffle box where all the cables run as well, and that's just filled with rock wool. At the moment it is cutting out or engraving actually. But yeah, you can hear my voice and you can hear the machine. If I go outside, yeah, you can't hear anything. So that's 2 meters from the door, you can't hear anything. So not bad. And sorry for the shaky footage.